So now we are having the third question. Here a dash and b are given. It is similar to the second question if you check, but instead of a we are given a dash. So let's see how to do this question. So now let's first find out what is our a, right? Take the transpose, right? First row becomes the first column. So 3 and 4. Second row becomes the second column, minus 1, 2. And third row becomes the third column, 0, 1. Right? Now what we have to do means first let's do a plus b. These two matrices are added together for a plus b. Then let's do it. 3 plus minus 1. 3 minus 1 would be 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 2 minus 1 would be 1. 1 plus 0 would be 1. And 1 plus 4 would be 5. 2 plus 2 would be 4. And 1 plus 3 would be 4. So now we have to take the transpose of this matrix a plus b transpose. Now change the rows into the columns, right? 2, 1, 1, and change the second row into the second column, 5, 4, 4, right? So this is our left hand side. Now let's check out what is our right hand side, right? So for right hand side, first we have to take the b dash. We have to find out what is the b dash, right? A dash is already given in the question, so no need to find that. B dash, just transpose the rows. First row would be minus 1 to 1, and first column, first row becomes the first column, and second row becomes the second column, right? 1, 2, 3. Now we have to add a dash and b dash to do the right hand side, right? So 3 minus 1 would be a dash plus b dash. So 3 minus 1 would be 2. 4 plus 1 would be 5. Minus 1 plus 2 would be 1. 2 plus 2 would be 4. 0 plus 1 would be 1. And 1 plus 3 would be 4. So if you check, this is our right hand side, right? So check both the matrices. They are having the same elements. So we have proved the first part of the question. So now let's do the second part of the question. So first we have to find out a minus b the whole dash, right? So first let's do a minus b. So our a is here and b is here, so we have to do the subtraction. 3 minus minus 1, here there's a minus, right? 3 minus minus 1 would be 3 plus 1, so 4. Minus 1 minus 2 would be minus 3. Then 0 minus 1 would be 1. Sorry, minus 1. Then 4 minus 1 would be 3. 2 minus 2, both are same, so cancel each other out. So 1 minus 3 would be minus 2. Now we have to take the transpose. Just interchange the rows into the columns. 4 minus 3 minus 1. 3, 0 minus 2, right? So we have done the left hand side. Now let's do the other part, a dash minus b dash. So this is our a dash already given in the question, and b dash we found out before, right? So we have to do the subtraction. 3 minus minus 1 would be 3 plus 1, 4. And 4 minus 1 would be 3. And minus 1 minus 2 would be minus 3. Then 2 minus 2 would be 0. 0 minus 1 would be minus 1. 1 minus 3 would be minus 2. Now we have to check the right hand side and left hand side. If you check, both the matrices are similar and they have the same elements, so both are equal. So we have just proved the second part of the question too.